Alright guys, good afternoon and welcome to the pre-New York update. We already had our pre-London session and no trade was executed, no order was executed. We had two orders. Let's check here our orders, which I went in our bias, continued in our bias, right? We were long NCD USD and AUD USD, but if we check the charts, both went without us, right? Currently they are in higher time frame supply, I believe. Let's check it out. Okay, so the Australian dollar is not yet in the supply area, and the New Zealand dollar, yeah, it's in the middle of the supply area and it's not reacting to it. Small reaction right here. So let's check again the relative strength. Interesting. CHF getting green, USD still red, JPY even more, and NCD as strong as it can be. So let's check NCD JPY. What do you think? Let's check NCD JPY. Maybe we have a trade there even. Again, it's a nation. Whoa, my God, look at this. It reacted post London. Interesting. Let's check the higher time frame. Let's check where are we heading to. So we had this supply zone not respected, but that was the weekly. So we have a clear supply zone right here, and it's actually a pretty good one. Maybe we can trim it there. So let's go to a 16-hour. Yep. This one was not respected at all, which is a clearly bullish sign. So let's go down the time frames and let's look for a look ready base rally in the 4-hour. This is beautiful. Let's see if we can take some. Let's put it as a higher time frame. Now let's move down to 3-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour. Oh, wow. So 87.29, 87.50. Okay, interesting. Right, this demand. We may use it, but the thing is that we don't have anything that points us that there's going to be a retracement, right? But let's check how this would look like. So 26 pips to make. Let's go to the 15. Let's check this. Yeah. Yeah, we could put our stop loss below London's low, and that would give us a much more interesting risk to reward ratio. Let's put it there, but let's check in one in the hourly what it would mean. Yeah, it is interesting. Let's go down here. Yep. Okay, let's check AUD USD too. AUD, yes, AUD JPY too. Just to, for the sake of it, we have this huge gap. Not good. Not good, and it's not as bullish as NZD. So let's put NZDJPY here too. Let's go here, our daily open orders, NZDJPY. And let's grab this one. There you go, guys. Do a screen capture. I'll do this right here. Right. There we go. right now we can do screen capture here. And we can add it to our orders, open orders, NZDJPY long order pre-New York. All right. Register, play. In NZD, the strongest and JPY, the weakest. Let's put a screen cap right here of our updated heat map. Oh wait, first I need to... Oh no, it's okay. Everything extremely red against NZD. So, as we have no news in the short term, there shouldn't be any reason for the NZD reversing. Alright guys, that's it for pre-New York update. Have a great day, be an alpha at everything you do, and see you later. Bye bye.